but what are the other everyday habits or conditions, like the hypertension, diabetes, or obesity that silently affect our liver? And are there early signs that we should watch out for, or is it usually unnoticed? Yeah.
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Yes, diba? Very
Good
nice.
questions. Okay, unang-unang tanong niya is, ano yung mga contributors?
Yes.
Ano yung mga
Aside sa alcohol.
ginagawa natin every day that would affect our liver? So, hindi lang alcohol intake. By the way, when you take alcohol, kahit sabihin mo na, Doc, minsan lang ako umiinom, minsan once a week. So, pag in-add up mo yun, nag-a-add up din yung effect niya. So, that's one, alcohol intake. And then kanina, na-mention din natin, na-mention ni Dr. Star, na yung pag-take ng mga over-the-counter medications can also contribute to that. Also, ito yung mga